what we have on this opening bell right now, once again, it's a calendar Thursday, 2012, the time. 22 minutes of the opening bell has occurred. Good morning, everyone. And 1667 markdown bid, 1160 by 1250. That's based on Nasdaq 100 E-mini futures holding that 24.90.50 support level. Now, when we go over to the E-mini S&P 500, it's okay, so we got Green Mountain Coffee, didn't get long. We've got a reversal on the S&P, but once again, they're just bringing us right down here to the neckline of support at 1320. This is E-mini opening S&P 500 contracts for March. Time is 6:52 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The lower support levels that had that burn, that was your trade right here to the long side. This is ultimately going to be 1317 is going to be support. So that's the first 20-minute update. One of the things that will show you clearly is you're only down, but you're still positive in that Nasdaq 100. And why is that? Because of stocks like Qualcomm that reported earnings. And it hit 60.91. I've got lower bids below the market, but here, this is that 20-minute opening bell. We'll update further at the 30-minute mark. Once again, alert service, Nasdaq index put options 2500 marked down to 1130 by 1220 on the 15 by 30-minute opening bell, 7 minutes to go for that opening bell. We got bids at 570 on these for now until we can figure out how to hit that markdown. So once again, that $2,500 put, and it's slightly in the money, and they expire 2-3. So they're only an intraday entry and exit. But you're catching a bid and ask. You're catching a bid and ask. How to trade $2,500 put on an index option that gets marked down to a wholesale entry and a retail exit selling back to the public. That is your update on the opening bell right here. Stocks are going up. The Chipotle Mexican Grill as featured, and 373.37 on the high. That's where they overshot it. We just did the live video for you with the live entries. That short is working. What we're looking for is a $10 reversal from the peak high down toward the lows. That's the full maximum. We're also looking to see what the $7.50 reversal would look like at that payday line. And right now we are working nicely down here, and when I tell you in pre-market from that high and learning how to work the entry and the exit, and when I say that stocks are high beta and manipulative, and when I say that they're going up there, and when I say they're going to have that potential $10 reversal, which they will, you will learn to listen to me, and you will learn to appreciate your alert service more than anything else, because other people can't do it. That's why. Let's make that clear. Talk is cheap. This is real. Now, you're going to come down to that half bar. I got a half bar. I got a half bar. I got that peak short working. As featured in pre-market, you have been alerted. You have been alerted. You have been alerted at the half bar. People have been alerted on the half bar. That is my half bar. You will not ignore 368.35 in this MMT alert application as the diamonds are going lower. It's here. It's live. Join us in the high entry short, and join us in these reversals and learn how to trade those spikes on an earnings season. Learn to prosper in these reversals and understand the market volatility. Live CMG. Alert, alert. Now, let's take a look at that alert. CMG 367.30, 363 would be a total $10 reversal down to the 363 handle. Not only that, this is that opening bell at negative ratio 2.91 and counting, and we have that diamond reversal that learn how to sell short those spikes, and having those limit orders out there really do you well. And not only that, on the opening bell, when you see something like that going like that, you get out of the way and you let that get up there. And not only that, we have that price figured out, because I know beyond a reasonable doubt, that this high is 373. And I'm going to tell you right now, and I told people this, it went right up here to 3/8 delta in our freaking platform. 373.11 is in our system, and 373.37 is right there. So right below the half delta and right below the 3/8 delta. And then you got the MMT reversal to support. Now, watch this back cap and learn how to master that entry and that glory and those profits, and understand how markets work and how bull cycles work. Bull cycles work that way. We hit a low of 60.76, and I was telling people to get down here in this trade. Yes, I was in pre-market. Don't ignore it. Don't ignore it. Do not ignore that turn. It's a low beta stock, QCOM. Lots of shares, 10,600,000. Nothing to fear. Scaling that is the right thing to do, because that is that kind of equity. Now, having said all of that, I've got a 10 by 1090 bid. I'm out at 5.7. I've got alarm set below this market during this volatility opening 30-minute bell. I'm 1 penny from 30-minute bell, 30-minute alert. Long GMCR, long 63.11. What a nice pullback. That was a $4 pullback. I hear that I got an MMT long. This name, 30-minute alert. 30-minute alert. We will come back. We've got MMTs buying off of these lows, buying off of them lows, shaking that high off of 67.19. 30-minute alert. 30-minute alert. 30-minute alert. There was the 370 put. It hit $2 now, 420 by 490. 30-minute option alert. CMG 370 put. Weekly 30-minute alert. Thank you, David. Do you think that the turn is in there? Go ahead and get busy. I told you, QCOM was down there, man. That's the low.